salad. So I have everything here that I need. I went to the store and picked up some additional items. I got a bag of American bread. And this has the carrots, green leaf lettuce, iceberg lettuce, red cabbage, and radishes. Use a little bit of that. Picked up some cucumbers. I'm going to use one cucumber. Go ahead and wash this. Also picked up red onion, red bell pepper, tomato. I'm going to go ahead and wash these down, get these prepared, and I'll be back. I'm going to start by cutting up my cucumbers. I like cucumbers. Cucumbers are very, very good for you. I noticed that when I drink my water that I have cucumber slices in and lemon slices in, it helps the puffiness under my eyes. So I tend to drink it on a regular basis, and it also helps to lower my blood pressure. This is something that I have also noticed as an extra added benefit of eating and using cucumbers. As you notice, I do take off the outside peel of my cucumber, and that's because my doctor had advised me to do this, to remove the outer skin, because I am taking warfarin. Warfarin is a blood thinner, and the outside of the cucumber has a lot of vitamin K in it, so it would kind of interfere with the blood thinning properties of the warfarin. Cucumbers have a lot of health benefits. It's a very nutritious food, and it's very, very high in water content. They help relieve dehydration, and also it contains a lot of essential vitamins and minerals. It also, like I said, it benefits skin health also. I'm cutting up my tomatoes and adding those into my salad. Tomatoes also very, very nutritious for you. Tomatoes contain vitamin A, which is very high in tomatoes. It has vitamin C. It contains vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin B3. You're going to find iron, copper, phosphorus. You're going to find some potassium, some manganese, selenium, vitamin B1, all of the vitamin B's you're going to find in tomatoes. Vitamin B2, vitamin B5, vitamin B9. You've got your zinc, your calcium, your magnesium, your sodium. Tomatoes are full of a lot of vitamins and nutrients. They're a good source of vitamin C, which is an essential nutrient antioxidant. I mean, tomatoes are great to add into your diet. I am adding in my red and green bell peppers. Bell peppers are very, very good. They are considered to belong to the nightshade family. And as I am doing keto, it is said that nightshade vegetables are what you should avoid on a ketogenic diet. But I want to say some nightshades are low in carbohydrates, and they can fit into a keto diet when you consume them in moderation. And this happens to be the case with the bell peppers, the red, the green, and the yellow, and the orange. The bell peppers are good to add into your diet. They're very, very nutritious, and they also are low in calories and rich in vitamin C and other oxidants and other antioxidants, which makes them an excellent addition to any healthy diet. Um, Fresh raw bell peppers are mainly composed of water also. The rest is carbohydrates and small amounts of protein and very, very little fat. As I said, they're loaded with various other vitamins and minerals, with vitamin C um, being one of the main nutrients that it does have. Now, nightshade vegetables are not good on a ketogenic diet because most of them are high in carbs and generally not considered keto friendly. However, bell peppers, peppers, hot peppers, these are ideal for the ketogenic diet. So I needed a dressing for my salad, and I didn't have available what I wanted. So I made my own keto-friendly dressing by using some mayo and some mustard. Now you can add a little bit of sweetener to this of choice, and this makes an excellent salad dressing, and it's keto-friendly. I am going to go ahead and get my jars that I'm going to be using to make my salad. These are the jars that I picked up on my Dollar Tree haul last week, and I got these specifically for making cucumber salad. I've been seeing this cucumber salad on TikTok and various other channels. Low Carb Queen, I saw where she made the salad in a jar, and I tell you, it looks so good. So I went to the store, I got my jars. I'm going to go ahead and add my ingredients into my jars here. And these jars only cost $1.25. So if you're looking for some type of a jar that you can use as far as making a salad, go to Dollar Tree and pick up these jars. Very well worth it. So I'm going to add my vegetables in. I have everything that I cut up in the container here. I have sweet onions in here. I have, like I said, everything in here that I cut up as far as the veggies to put into my cucumber salad. I'm just pulling the fruit out of the bowl with my hands and putting it into each jar. I'm going to fill each jar as much as I can. I am going to add in much more fruit the next time that I do this. I was wanting to put in some, um, let's see, what are those peppers called? Banana peppers. But I guess I've used all of those. I didn't know I used them all. I had thought I had some in the refrigerator. But next time I want to add some banana peppers to this also. After I fill up my jars with the salad, I'm going to be adding my keto friendly dressing that I made. And also to this, I'm going to be adding a little bit of olive oil. Um, that's going to give it an extra special taste. Also, I wish I had some relish that I can add into this to give it another pop as far as the taste. And I like the sugar-free sweet lettuce. Sweet relish. If I had that, that's what I would put in there. Here I'm adding in some avocado. As you know, avocado is a very, very good high fat fruit. It contains a little bit of protein, it has fiber, it has fat, it has various vitamins and minerals. It's very, very good. Saturated fat, polyunsaturated fat, monounsaturated fat. It has cholesterol, sodium, potassium. It's got carbohydrates also, dietary fiber, sugars, protein, vitamin A. I mean, avocados are so good for you. Vitamin C, it's got calcium, it's got iron. So I had to have some avocado in my cucumber salad. I'm going to go ahead and add in a pickle to my cucumber salad. I wish I had some bread and butter chips, but I don't have any of those. So I'm going to add in a kosher dill pickle. I'm going to go ahead and cut one of these spears up and divide it between the two salads. That would give it a good taste also. I'm going to add in at least a tablespoon and a half to each jar. I'm going to add some feta cheese. So a tablespoon and a half to each one. And then I'm going to go ahead and put on my keto friendly honey mustard dressing that I made. And to this, I'm going to go ahead also and add in a tiny bit of olive oil. And I'm going to be using the robust flavor olive oil. I am going to go ahead and add the honey mustard sauce that I made to the cucumber salads. And I made quite a bit of this. I made more than I actually needed, but I'm going to go ahead and split it between the two jars. Here are the two jars of cucumber salad that I made. Doesn't that look good? I'm going to get ready to go ahead and add in the olive oil to this. And I'm going to add in an equal amount to both. I want to make sure that I get enough in there so that I can taste the olive oil. And also, I'm going to go ahead. I have a package of some candied pecans and cranberries. I'm going to add some of these to one of the salads to give it a little extra crunch. I do love to add this to my salads. I'm not going to add much, just a little bit. Then I am going to go ahead and get ready to shake the jars. And I'm going to shake the jars until I get my salad mixed together really, really good. And then I'm going to sit down and enjoy a cucumber salad. This salad is really, really good. I'm having a little bit of a hard time chewing it. I gotta finish my dental work. But I tell you, this salad is so, so good. I'm going to really enjoy it. I'm glad that I made two so that I'll have another one for another meal. The only thing that's missing is some protein. And I do have some protein in the refrigerator that I had meal prepped. So I'm going to go ahead and take out my chicken breast. And I'm going to have this along with the salad. And this is how I'm going to break my fast today.